children, welcome back to Gurudeva e-learning classes. Dear student, in the last class we were discussed about division first part exercise 6.1 and properties of division, then exercise 6.2. Yes dear student, today we are going to discuss about exercise 6.3, the main concept division without reminder. Division without reminder. Yes dear student, all of you ready? Shall we start the class? Yes. Dear student, all of you open the page number 154, division without reminder, exercise 6.3. Okay dear student, in the exercise 6.3 in the A main, division, divide the following. Divide the following. In these examples you write in your notebook. This concept belongs to notebook. Okay dear student, in the exercise 6.3 in the A main, divide the following. Three questions are there. I solving here second and third questions. Okay dear student, shall we start? Yes. And another one thing, dear student, when you solve these examples in your notebook, all of you write the tables in these questions. Here 51, 32,385 divided by 51. So you write that 51 tables. Here 11,168 divided by 16. So you write 16 tables. Okay dear student, you write in your notebook in the right side in the tables. The next, in these examples you write in the left and right between in the middle, because some of time in the examples you dividing, so coming from left side, so you don't start here edges of the corner, so you start the calculation in the divided method in the middle of the page. The next, even tables write in the right side. Clear? Okay dear student, shall we start the second question? The A main, divide the following. The question is 11,168 divided by, this is the sign of divided by. Okay dear student, the sign is very important. Divided by 16. So I am written the 16th table. Dear student, I am remembering once again, please learn the tables twice of a day, in the morning and evening also. So when you learn the tables in division method and multiplication method are very dead easy. So you must and should practice the tables. Okay dear student. Okay, come to example even solving. You write here the question. This is the method of division. The question is 16, even 11,168 divided by 16. Okay dear student, I am writing here. So once again I will write in the bigger size. Yes, 16, 11,168 is divided by 16. You know already how to divide the numbers. The main concept, division without reminder. Okay dear student, 16 how much? You take first one digit, that is not possible, because compared to 16 and 1 is very smaller. Yes dear student, so you take second digit together, you call this is 11. So 11 and 16, compare these two numbers, 11 also smaller. So then we go to the next step, you say together, it means one and second and third digits. So, okay, you include three digits, we call 111 is more than the 16. That is possible to dividing here. So 16 how much of 111? Dear student, you observe the table here. Here 16 1 ja 16. The next here 16 7 ja 112. How much dear students? 16 7 ja 112. Here 111. We compare 111 and 112 is compared to, this is more than the 111. So you don't take the 111. So you check the another number. Even 16 5 is 80, 16 6 is 96. So 16 5 is 80. This is very smaller to compare the 111. So which is nearest number you will compare to the 111? Here 16 6 dear student, 16 6 96 is compared to nearest number of the 111. So you divide the 16 6 how much dear student? 16 6 96. You write place where it is very important. Even ones, tens, 100. 16 6 96. Then next now you use the sign as subtraction. You want 1 minus 6, that is not possible. You take borrow in the tens place. So borrow you know already, that is 10. 10 plus 1 you get 11. Okay. 11 minus 6. How much dear student? Keep in your mind 11 or use the number lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much numbers you subtract? Even 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest of the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, dear student? Yes, 5 is the answer. Okay. 5 plus 6 you add, you get 11. Yes, dear student. The next here 1 second digit, even tens place digit give the power, it becomes 0. That is very important. Keep in your mind. When the number is gives the power, that becomes downwards the 1 digit. Here 1 is there, so it becomes 0. Yes, dear student. Now you take the borrow in the next digits. Okay, here 0 minus 6, 0 minus 9, that is not possible. You take borrow in the 100 place. Here borrow you know already 10. 10 plus 0 also 10. 10 minus 9 you get 1. Yes, dear student, here 1 becomes 0, so 0 minus no number you write 0 in the same. Okay, dear student, that's first step is clear. Here compare, this is the, you know, this we call what? Dividend. Dividend. Okay, it means dividend. We call this is divisor. This is, yes. What is the quotient? This is called quotient. These concepts are very important. Okay. Here new dividend is 15. Yes, 15 and 16. This is possible, dear student. That is not possible because compare these 16 and 15 is smaller than the 16. So you next bring down the next digit. Next digit is 6. You write 6 here. Now you call the new dividend is 156. Yes, dear student. In this 156 possible to division in the 16. Okay, 16 how much of 156, dear student? Observe the table of the 16. Okay, here see observe 16 7s of 112, 16 8s of 128, 16 9s of 144, the next 16 10s of 160. So 16 10s of 160 is more than the 156. So you take 16 9s of 144. It means 144. That is possible to easily divided by the 156. Yes, dear student, 16 9s are how much? 144 is the nearest number of the 156. Here 16 8s are 128 is very smaller. Yes, dear student, you take 16 9s are 16 9s are 144. You write here 16 9s are 144. Yes, now you subtract this number. 6 minus 4, yes, dear student, that is easily. You subtract 6 minus 4, you get 2. 5 minus 4, yes, 1. 1 minus 1, you get 0. This 0 also same as you write. This is right or no? That is not problem. Okay. The next, dear student, compare 16 and 12. 12 is the new dividend. Compare 16 and 12 is very smaller. This is not possible to divide the 16. So you bring down the next digit in the 8. Bring down the next digit. Next digit is 8. Yes, dear student, we call new dividend is 128. Here 16 how much of 128, dear student? 16 8s of 128, that is possible. Yes, dear student, 16 8s of 128. Yes, you take 16 8s of 128. Yes, dear student, now you subtract these numbers. 8 8s are 0. 8 minus 8, sorry, 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. This 0 you write right here. Remainder, this we call remainder or 0. It means division without remainder. Here no remainder. Here we get 0. So quotient is 698. So 11,168 divided by 16, we get the quotient is 698. This like you divide the numbers when we give the 2 digits, 3 digits, just like you know very well in the tables, but you write must and should. This is very helpful to you divide the even we identify the answer. This is the helpful to you. Okay. The next, dear student, I think this is understanding all of you. Yes, go to the next question, dear student. Yes. Dear student, in the third question, 32,385 is divided by 51. Dear student, you know very well of 20, 21, 22, that's like tables. You don't know 51 tables. Yes, dear student. You are very well. You learned already 20, 21, 22 tables. Anybody not learn the 51 tables? So here 32,385 is divided by 51. So you don't know 51 tables. So you first find out the 51 tables. After you divide the example. That is the very easiest method. So you first find out the tables. 51 ones are 51. That's clear. You know. Yes, dear student. 51 twos are how much? 51 threes how much? How do you find out the table in the 51? So that is easy method. You write 2 ones first. 2 ones how much, dear student? 2 ones yes, 2. You write in the ones place. Yes, dear student. 2 ones 2. The next, dear student, 2 5s how much, dear student? Yes, 2 5s are 10. You write 10 here. It means, dear student, 51 2s are 102. That's clear. Yes, dear student. That's like you find out first tables. Okay. 3 1s are, yes, right. 3 1s are 3. Yes, dear student. 3 5s are, yes, 3 5s are 15. It means 51 3s are 153. Yes, dear student. Let's go to the next step. 51 4s. It means 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are, dear student, how much? 4 5s are 20. It means 51 4s are 204. Just like you find out the first table. Are you understanding, dear student? Yes, observe carefully. The next 51 5s. It means 5 1s are 5. You write 5. Then 5 5s are, yes, 25. 5 5s are 25. It means 51 5s are 255. Yes, dear student. The next 6 1s are, yes, you write 6. The next 6 5s are, yes, 30. How much, dear student? 30. It means 51 6s are 306 or 306. Okay, dear student. The next 51 7s. Even 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are, yes, 35. 7 5s are 35. Even place values, that is important. You write the correct place values. 1s, 10s, 100. That's like. Okay, it means 51 7s are 357. That's clear, dear student. The next 51 8s are 8 1s are 8. The next 8 5s are 40. Yes, dear student. 51 8s are 408. Okay, dear student. The next 51 9s are 9 1s are 9. 9 5s are 45. Yes, dear student, 9 5s are 45. It means 51 9s are 459. Okay, dear student, the next 51 10s are, Yes, you know very well 51 tens are 510. Yes, then so 0 into 1 you write 0. That's like already you do. You know already directly 51 ones are you 0 neglect first 51 ones are 51. The next you add this 0. We get 510. The table is clear. Now you divide the quotient. Yes, dear student, shall we start? Yes, dear student, 51 how much the 32? That is not possible. We can compare 51 32 is very smaller. So you take 3 digits together. That's value is 323. Yes. 51 how much the 323, dear students? See, observe the table. 51th table. Here 51 how much the 323, 306, 351 here. Here 255. 255 compared to 323 is very smaller. Here 51 6 306, that is compare nearest number of the comparison of 323. Here 51 7 357, that is a bigger number. You take nearest number is 51 6 306. That is good. Yes, dear student. Yes, 51 6 51 6 306. Yes, dear student. Now you subtract 3 minus 6. That is not possible, dear student. You take borrow in the tens place. Okay, borrow you know already. 10. 10 plus 3 how much, dear student? 13. 13 minus 6 you get 7. Yes, dear student. You know very well already the subtraction method. 13 minus 6 we get 7. Here 2 becomes 1 because that gives the borrow. This 2 becomes 1. 1 minus 0 you get 1. Yes, dear student. The next 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. Even 51 first step is clear. 51 compare this is the new dividend. Compare 51 and 17 very smaller. So you bring down the next digit is 8. Yes, dear student, that's value is new dividend is 178. So you observe the table 178 in the 51 how much of 178. Compare the numbers here which is the very nearest number. Even 51 2 is a 102, 51 3 is a 153, 51 4 is a 204. So 204 is very greater compared to the 178. So 153 means 51 3s are 153 is the nearest number of the 178. Yes, dear student, you write the 51 how much of 51 3s are 153. Yes, dear student. Now you subtract these numbers. 8 minus 3, yes, we get 5. 7 minus 5, that's 2. The next 1 minus 1, that's 0. This 0 also you write 0. As dear student, compare 51 25 is very smaller. So you bring down the next digit. The next digit is 5. As dear student, the total number is 225. It means 255. So 51 how much the 255, dear student? Yes, see the table 51. Yes, 51 5s are 255. Yes, dear student, 51 5s are 255. That's easily clear. Okay, dear student, you write 51 5s are 255. So now you subtract these numbers. You get 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0, this 0, this 0. Right, dear student, the answer remainder is 0. Yes, 51 is 32,385 is divided by 51. We get 635 is the quotient. We get the answer 635. Yes, just on this slide you divide the values. So even given the 2 digits or 3 digits in the even divisor, that's we write the tables first. So you know very well in the 20 tables but you write tables, that is helpful to your divide the question, divide the number, that is a helping. We are taken helping of the 51 tables. Yes dear student, so you first write the tables of the given divisor number, so that is easy to you devise the questions. Okay dear student, the next class we will discuss about exercise 6.3 B main, divide and verify your answer. Okay dear student, thank you.